Hi guys, and very welcome back to another little video. We're up today and tomorrow in the mountains, and we want to try to photograph something very special. We want to try to photograph the black grouse lacking. We are very late this year, but 2 days ago we were on another spot in the Alps and we still heard them mating or calling. So I am not sure if we can see them, but we try our best. On the hike up here we already found some ibex and we found some chamois, and now we need to make our stuff ready, because it's very important that we settle down in the hide before the night, so it gets quiet on the lacking place, so we don't disturb the animals. And in the morning at sunrise roundabout we will be up and ready to photograph if they come. So with no further talking, let's go. So guys, everything set up. As you may have seen in the time lapse, I have a camo net here and two poles. And the idea is that in the morning at sunrise I sit in this area here, looking into that direction. Here is the lacking place, if they're still active. So yeah, that's the plan. Everything set up, and now we need to make dinner.
3 Deziliter.
Ja.
Das ist ganz gut. Curry. So guys, we had a very warm and very nice dinner. Sun is almost setting. Now want to get a bit around, try to find some very nice landscape motifs, and that's what we're gonna do now. And then we're gonna go early to bed, because tomorrow is going to be very early, and the clock is going off at 4 in the morning, so we have the time to get to do the toilet again, and then we have to wait. So that's what we're gonna do now. Wish you a good night and see you tomorrow.
So guys, back from a beautiful trip. Just enjoyed our coffee, bit of cheese. That's really good, really good. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I was not expecting the black grouse to come that close. Although it was just a brief moment, it was beautiful, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned, and if you liked it, like, subscribe and follow, and yeah, see you next time, guys.